In today's video, I'm going to teach you about customizing the Shopify Dawn theme, a complete guide to elevating your online store with visual appeal and functionality. Let's dive right into it, starting with accessing your Shopify store. Begin by going to your Shopify admin page, which acts as the central hub for managing every aspect of your online store. Once you're on the admin homepage, look for the option labeled Online Store on the left-hand side. Clicking it will direct you to an array of tools dedicated to enhancing the look and feel of your storefront. After locating the Online Store section, the next step is to click on Customize, which you'll see under the Themes section. This button will open up the Theme Editor, a powerful tool that allows you to see your store as your customers would, while giving you the flexibility to make real-time edits. The Dawn theme is a highly versatile Shopify theme that is particularly known for its clean aesthetics and customizable nature, and we'll be leveraging that in our tutorial today. With the theme editor open, you'll notice several tabs at the top of the page. Navigate to the Home Page tab to begin customizing the landing page of your online store. This section is integral as it's the first point of contact for your potential customers. You can add, remove, or reorder sections to align with your brand imagery and messaging. Play around with different elements and sections to find the optimal layout that suits your store's persona. Now let's delve into the theme settings. This is where the magic truly happens. Click on the Theme Settings button located in the toolbar. Here you're greeted with a menu of options ranging from colors, typography, to icons and buttons. It's where you can adjust the theme's global settings and ensure brand consistency across all pages. Consider selecting a color scheme and typography that reflects your brand's identity, as this will create visual appeal and enhance user experience. Additionally, we're going to explore the App Embed feature, a relatively new addition to the Shopify customization toolkit. You can find this by clicking on App Embed within the theme editor. This feature allows you to embed various applications directly into your theme, enhancing functionality without needing extensive code alterations. It conveniently connects third-party applications with your theme settings, offering a seamless integration that enriches your site's capabilities and consumer engagement. And that wraps up our comprehensive guide on customizing the Shopify Dawn theme. We've taken you through every essential step to ensure you're equipped with the tools needed to create a visually stunning and highly functional online store. Remember, the key to successful theme customization is not only about aesthetics, but also about creating an intuitive and pleasing shopping experience for your customers. So take your time to experiment with these options and make your Shopify store truly yours. Thanks for tuning in and happy customizing.